Kagaya ko, there are many people who are looking for a perfect location to invest or start a business. At meron din mga ilan na naghahanap ng property na accessible but few hours drive lang from Manila. At the same time, is malayo sa hustle and bustle of the city. Kasi ayoko na makipagsiksikan pa sa BGC, congested na dun. Kung lalayo naman ako like sa mga provinces, grabe naman ang hassle ng biyahe. But then I discovered Club La Ia by Lanco Beach Town in San Juan, Batangas. Grabe, it's a master plan development na mixed use for residential and commercial development. Ika nga, meron kang option to build your dream beach home or mag-start ng negosyo in one of the most visited tourist destination in the South. At yung developer, yung Lanco Pacific Corporation, talagang ma-amaze ka kasi when it comes to beach town development,